Hello guys, we are back. I just wanted to do a small recap video. I took a trade yesterday. I couldn't really put it on video because I was on my phone. It was a quick video, so I just wanted to recap really what it is. You can see here we're up to 407, so it was a small video. I actually have the screenshot. There we go. You can see there, that was yesterday, so that was on Monday. And then, this is a couple days ago now. Well, it's only a $40 trade. You can see my entry right there was $41. Nothing crazy. But yeah, just to recapping you, I was doing the fair value gap here, as you can see on ES. Once it broke this, what was it, 9:30 or so? Yeah, we broke this all the way here. We had this 1 hour fair value gap from here all the way to here, to there. And then once it came back, I took a long here. We went up all the way to there around, and that's where I exited because it was taking very long. I didn't really want to wait for it. Sucks because if you would have waited just a little longer, would have waited and held, we could have just gotten this hole right up, right to my PT, which is right there. But we didn't catch that. That would have been a nice $200-300 ride right there. That would have missed. That worked out perfectly. But I am gonna use 1 hour fair value gap. 1 hour fair value gap a lot more, guys, so I just want to let you know that. But yeah, so I'll try to use that a lot more often. Today I don't think there's anything I'm going to catch. I just don't see anything worth taking today. Let's see, gold, yeah, we just dropped. I haven't even done anything, as you see, to my lines, anything. Look, it just after we broke this on gold, we just dropped completely. Those were my targets. That was my next target right here. Nothing to, which is great if you caught this short. Unfortunately, I didn't. But, it's getting pretty close to where I want to buy longs, actually on gold. So, I'll probably look at gold longs right there, somewhere around there. I really like longs, so. And see, it's breaking this one right there now, but we'll see. This is a catch. This is just falling knife right there. But we'll see. And then oil. Let's see what happens going on with oil. Yeah, so oil. This is no more. Yesterday, actually, which is pretty annoying, I was looking at oil. Look at this, guys. Perfect entry. Look at this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. We broke. Not only did we break, but also we're bouncing off this support right here, which we has 1, 2, 3, 4 different times that it hit. So not only did it bounce off here, then it breaks, and I hesitated, guys. I saw like when this candle was forming, and it was already like here. And then I went to work. But look, had I entered, it would have been all the way up. I don't know if I would have held all the way to here, but look at that. Would have been kind of like this right there. That's crazy. I didn't catch it. I hesitated, guys, and that's the problems that I have to struggle with now. Sometimes jumping into these trades. But look at that, and look at this right now. It held this, which would have been your safety line. So far held, and it's still going. So you could potentially still be in the trade if you were not doing a prop firm, if you were doing your like a cash account. By that, I missed that. So I'm probably not going to trade gold until this breaks right now. As you can see here now, you have this 1, 2, 3. So honestly, this, for me now, would turn into a short idea. So once this breaks, I would like to take shorts on this, and it needs to break this, because I would break this for this target, but I would want to see this keep going down even further. Because see, we're stuck here. From here, basically, here to here, we're just going boom, 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 boom. So not much there going on. So you got to think of that, but that's what I'm looking at. But besides that, guys, nothing else. And yes, there's nothing here. Maybe longs at here, but if I do take one, I'll let you know. But that's about it, guys. Just wanted to recap you on that trade I took, the $40 there. Yeah, just nothing crazy. So that's the day before the video was up. That's the one where we didn't have sound, unfortunately. And then this is the next one I took, and I probably won't record any on my phone. It's just too much to try to put it all together. If I do, then I'll do a small recap. But I just want to let you know so we're all on the same page. 407. We'll just keep it going and go from there, guys. All right. We'll see you guys. We are back. I'm gonna take one trade today on oil. I do like it here. It's around 8:20 right now in the morning. So you can see here, we broke this yesterday. We missed this break right here, and it went all the way up. So what I'm doing now is actually going to take a continuation trade. So as you can see here, we are right there. This would have been an entry, so it is a little later entry, but it's holding up pretty well. Oil is up around 1% right now, so it's not bad. And also Trump, I believe, said that he might pull away from the strait in Iran, so that might help oil jump up. So I'm gonna take a trade here.
Order filled.
Let's see. We're gonna put our stop loss. So stop loss is gonna be a small, very slow risk trade, guys. Or I said less risk than usual. So because it's a continuation trade. So if this breaks right here, because we're starting to move this up, as you can see here, we have starting to really respect this. And I'm respecting that it broke here and wants to keep going up to take out these highs right here. That's the whole idea. But we're not going to get greedy, obviously. That's really what I really want to go. To hit these highs right there, break these highs right here, and go from there. So that's the goal. I do have a stop loss around 192 for now. I'm going to see, hopefully, you can jump up and really catch something. You know, anything over 150, guys, that's where we take profit, as you know, just because we need the 150 trades. That way you can take a payout. But we'll see what happens, guys. Again, it's a little more risk on this one, but I probably will exit before that, honestly. I know the last couple of trades that I took, we had the risk of like 300 or so it's less than that compared to those, but it's still a little more than I would want. But I like it here. I'm not touching gold at all because gold is just on a nosedive right here. I don't know what's going on here. Just completely going all the way down. And then, yes, I have a couple fair value gaps here, but it is going to take out these lows right here. So it might bounce here, honestly. It might come here, go like this, and then bounce up. So remember that. That might actually happen. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. You know, the market proves people wrong very often, unfortunately. So this is the goal, guys. Again, hopefully we can try to get this all the way up. I do like it if you look at it on the higher time. We're all the way here. We're expecting this whole thing. We broke out, kind of retesting this level, and hopefully we can jump up again and break this. I really wanted to here, but I doubt that might happen. But yeah, that's it, guys. So I will keep you. I'll let you know. Hopefully I can. I doubt that I'll be able to catch this trade on my phone, the closing, but if I do, I'll put it on here, and we'll go from there. All right, we'll catch you soon. All right, guys, so we are back. Just wanted to recap the end of this trade. As you can see here, we shot all the way up, got 365 in profit, and that's it, guys. We'll call it a day here.